nice evening out here. It's a little cool, but get the heat going in here. It's nice and cozy, and it's got the top down and just cruising down the road. So pretty nice. But we got some new side splitters in for the S2000. So we're gonna go put those on, and I think it'll look pretty cool. I'm pretty excited to see it like that. It's slowly evolving into a pretty sweet little ride. So I'm pretty excited about it. Alright guys, got the S2000 in here. Here are the lips. This is the side splitter for each side. So these are the ones for the sides. These are the ones for the rear. And all of these are ABS plastic. And I'll drop a link into the description for each of these pieces. But I got that, and I went ahead and got, it came with screws for both of these kits. But I went ahead and bought the other kit here. It came with some double-sided tape, some more screws, and some alcohol cleaning pads if you want to double stick them and screw them on. But we're gonna see if we can get these things put on. All right, so here is the driver's side of the car. The little cutout here is actually for that piece right there. So these little divots that you see down through here, there's actually a little bump in the body right where that goes. So these kind of just sit right into place and just go to the certain spot. And I think that's gonna look pretty good. They just kind of fit right in there. So we'll get those attached. Right, the car's up on the lift now. You can see this kind of just drops into a perfect spot right there. So these actually do fit pretty good. You see that this little divot that drops down, this just fits right into it. So yeah, actually has a perfect area to go in. First screw, and I was able just to push it up into it. It did start itself and go ahead and cut its own hole, so that should be good. Get the few more down through here. How many do you think we should put in each side, Dave?
I would put 4 or 5.
4 or 5?
Yeah, space out 4.
Okay. So we decided to go ahead and do 5. Got one on each end. We put one right here, and you can see that they sag. So they definitely need one more screw here and one more screw right about there to kind of pull the sagginess up. So go ahead and run another one in here. Gotta eye this about middle ways. I think it stripped it, didn't it? You hear it?
Yeah. You might have, so you gotta be real careful about that.
Yeah. It's in there though. One more. Yeah, that one did good. I think that's it. Feels like it's on there pretty good. Alright, let's get the other side done.
Looks good to me.
All right, the passenger side is on here now, and it actually went way quicker. First one took a minute to figure out what we're doing. The second one just went right on, so it kind of really does drop into place. I'm pretty impressed by that, aren't you?
Yeah, worked really good.
Yeah, I think it went on way better than some stuff that's been bolt on before. Those are pretty good. Now we just gotta figure out the rears. Right, so this one has the L on it. There's 2 of these, left and right. Left side of the car. And this kind of drops in this little lip here. And these are a little more universal fit than, it shows them for an 2000 to 03 S2000, but I found the same real one for a bunch of different cars. So it does fit in this little area here. But the front edge just seems a little off, doesn't it? Because this edge rolls down this way, and this one kind of starts back here. It'd almost be nice if they were like that.
Yeah.
But then that really kicks it out. So.
Yeah, it looks like something bad.
Yeah. That's because of it. So I wonder where I should put it at. If I should bring it back just a little bit, No, it's got to be up near the front, don't it?
I would make it even.
Butt it there.
Yeah.
That's how it's gonna have to be. Now, this one's plastic in plastic. So, a little scary. You can strip this out of a heartbeat.
Yeah, just as it tightens up, back off.
I'm gonna have to get this one started before I get it in there. All right, went ahead and ran the screws into this plate. So those are ready to go. Just kind of item got where they needed to be, and now I can just set this thing up here. That's gonna be the best spot right there. That's on there. I wonder if we should take it back off and then sand it lightly on both sides and use a double-sided tape, since it is just in plastic.
It should hold, but
It should. I mean, we got plenty of screws. As I ordered those extra ones, we could shoot more in here. But I mean, it feels like it's holding really good. Should I just wait? We got 3 screws in it. I'll wait. If I see one loosening up or something, I may come back and do that.
you can always do it all the way through now and through bolt it.
Yeah, that's true. You got plenty of room in here. Could run a couple through bolts, but I think this is it though. I think it's gonna be good, and I think it looks pretty good. So it kind of adds a little something to the rear to go along with the side, and then the front lips that stick out on the little lip. So let's get the other side. All right, so this side is done, and I think that looks pretty killer. So drop her down and see what it looks like on the ground. All right, so here's the car done. I think that looks pretty good. So car hasn't settled back down yet. We're gonna run over to the gas station, get a little gas, and then shoot a little bit of video down the side of how these things look.